Hi, today I'm going to show how to create a REST account on the BMS application. Initially, I'm showing on the first web UI. I'm logged into the production web UI where I logged in as an enterprise admin. So on the admin tab, if you go to the scroll to the secure API management, I can get this secure API management. And that's click on the create account. Okay, it will ask you the account name. Okay, testing REST account. Click on the submit. Okay. Account got created successfully. Now I'm using this REST account to send the messages. Okay. See, I want to click on access token. I'll get the access token. Okay. Now click OK. I'm logging out from the web UI. On the login screen, there is a link called REST APIs. If I click on that, it will take you to the REST API document. It is a tool where the end user can try understanding the API details and okay, and it is a Swagger page, and here we are providing the account details. We are providing the account details. Account details so that the API calls will used for sending the request to the server. Now I'm clicking on the this arrow button. Now there are a couple of functionalities are supported from the API documentation. I can send the attachments, users, conversations, and messages. Okay. Now I'm going to show how to send a message. Okay, through the REST API documentation. Okay, see here there is a section called show samples. Okay, so if you see the right answer, this is a request XML, request sample, and for that, what is the response? Okay, now I am checking on the request for the send API, send API. Okay, now this is the actual currently we are having on the system. If you see in the request sample, right? So this I just copied into the notepad. Okay, so ID is nothing but it's a account ID where you have logged in, right? So you just take this one, copy it here. Conversation ID, it's not required. Sender, okay, sorry. ID is not, it is not, okay, sender is nothing but the account ID. Okay, and the sender name you can give as a team Pegasus. Okay, and recipient to which account you want to send the message. I am sending a type here. We can support either individual. There are two types of messages it is supporting. One is individual or a broadcast. Now I'm sending an individual message. If you want to send a secure message, it should be as a true or false. Okay. Subject, any string I can send. Body also. Verifying on the web. Okay. Status sent. Okay. If you want to send as a delete on read, it should be true. Otherwise, you can mention it as a false. Okay. And similarly, message expiration date also. If you want to send as a message expiration, you have to mention this parameter. Otherwise, you can delete this one. Okay. And if you want to send any attachment with the send message, you have to capture all these details from the attachment payload. So currently I'm sending without an attachment. Okay. So I have deleted that section, and this is the payload. I'm going to use that one. Okay. Now I'm copying this one and pasting in the send message section. Okay, I'm just clicking on the try button. Yeah. Now it sent successfully. Now I'm logging into the recipient side. go to the charts, click on the charts. I got the message as demo on the REST account. Test API is the account name which I have created on the web UI. Team Pegasus individual sending a test message. Team Pegasus is a sender name I used. Verifying on the web UI. See, sending a text message from the REST account, verifying on the web UI. See, verifying on the web UI. Demo on the REST API is nothing but where I have used the while creating a REST account, I have used the names as a account name, display name as a demo on REST API. So I'm getting a message, the display name as demo on the REST API. And if you see here, when you refresh it, right? So if you want to see the sender display name as Team Pegasus, if you see in the payload, I have given sender display name as a Team Pegasus. That's why on the charts you can able to see as a display name as Team Pegasus. But this section is an optional. If you don't want to send as a sender display name, you can remove this tag, this parameter, and send the same payload. Okay, now I'm sending body as without sender display name. Consent. Okay, it sent successfully. See, no, I'm not able to see the Team Pegasus because I removed the sender display name tag. See, without sender name is a message. Okay, now I'm sending reply to this message. Sent. If you want to verify whether the reply message are sent or not, under the messages section, click on the list and search messages, click on the try button. Okay, it will show what are the messages and transactions has happened between this sender ID and the recipient account. Okay, now sender sending a test message from the REST account is a subject, replying to this message. Okay, see, I'm sent a message as a replying to this message. I can see the reply message here also. Okay, now this is how we can see that. Okay, now I want to delete any existing conversation. Like I'll take this 6754, which is having a Team Pegasus and verifying on the web UI. This is 6754. Under the message section, go to delete message. 6754 I am deleting now. 200 is nothing but it is successfully deleted. Go to the list and search messages, click on the try button. If you search for that 6754 is not there. That means it got deleted from the sender side. It removed from the sender side, okay, not from the recipient side. Okay. The main intention from the delete message is removing the messages from the sender side list of the messages which you want to fetch whether that message is deleted or not. But the message, it won't deleted from the recipient side. If you verify on the recipient side, this message is not deleted. This is how we are verifying the REST APIs on the platform. Thanks all. Thanks team.